Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create a swap file inside openSUSE Linux machine. Okay, so swap file is actually a virtual memory, or it is a method to create or use a file as a RAM. Okay, so in this method we are going to create a file, and then we are going to use that file as a RAM. So see how. First of all, check your virtual memory using free-a. You can see your swap memory is 0 now. Now it's time to create a file. So we are going to create a file using dd command. So dd input file is equal to dev0. This is a method, one of method to create a file, and output file is equal to suppose swp. Okay, and now just let it create, and then press Ctrl C, and now check the size of your swp file. It's 553 MB. Okay, now I am going to use this swp 543 MB file as a RAM. See how. Now I'm going to format this mkswap swp. Now swap on swp file. Now you can see free-m. You can see I have used this file as a RAM. And also see using this method cat proc swaps. This swp file has been used as a RAM. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Now I am going to delete it. So first, if you want to delete it or remove it, you have to swap off. So swap off which file? swp file. Now cross check. You can see swap memory has been removed. Now you can delete the file, and to delete the file rm-rf swp. That's done. So we have successfully made a swap file inside openSUSE Linux machine. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through comment section, and if you have any suggestion you can also tell me through comment section. And if you are interested in Linux training or CCNA training, CCNP training, CCI training, CCNA cyber training, CCNA security, CCNP security, you can contact me through my number. You can watch on above the screen. Okay, thank you for watching us.